And now the news in detail. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today informed the Assembly that the state government is planning to park some fund with the Deputy Commissioner for providing immediate relief if there are damages to houses during any natural calamities. In his supplementary reply during the question hour on the third day of the autumn session, Sangma said that this idea was proposed during the recent meeting with Deputy Commissioners to discuss matters relating to natural calamity. Earlier, Minister in charge Revenue and Disaster Management Kirmen Shilla, while replying to a question raised by TMC MLA George B. Lingdo, informed that a total of 187 households suffered due to damages from natural calamities in April this year under Boirambong block.
So now from that balance amount also, sir, 5,15,000 is yet to be released even after fixed.
Sir, recently we had a DC's conference about a month and a half, 2 months back. And one of the main discussions that took place in that meeting was regarding natural calamities, because that time we had recently had those natural calamities. And so in that meeting, we came to a conclusion and a decision that apart from the 25 lakhs which is given for general relief to the Deputy Commissioners, that there needs to be some fund parked with the Deputy Commissioners for immediate relief of situations, especially when it comes to houses being damaged. Because people cannot wait for the long process that takes place in terms of funds being released for the houses to be cleared. So that matter is being very seriously considered, and we are under process to figure out how we could put this, the procedures in place and the necessary orders in place.
Health Minister